So we have a special day on Racing with Jason today. We are going to call it Name That Ride. Anyone who's been out there driving, you probably have heard cars or trucks go by, and you've probably heard sounds and looked over and went, what's that? You can make cars very loud. The catalytic converters are designed to baffle the sound in the cars. A lot of cars have two of them. They'll have one coming down from the engine after the downpipes, and then they might have mid-pipe, and then they have another one. The muffler in the back can also affect the sound, and even the exhaust tips at the end can affect the sound. I am blindly going to have to try and guess what that vehicle is. Porsche. Probably a 911, but definitely a Porsche. It's definitely a V8. I might have to hear that one again. Okay. It's a Mustang. And the reveal is Corvette. Yeah, it's pretty meaty sounding. Boy, that could be a lot of different things. Is it a BMW? Yeah, I'll take the reveal. That one I don't know. That's a Mercedes. Yeah. Beamer? Yeah. Okay, we're doing a little better now. Cold start. Ferrari. Yeah, naturally aspirated Ferrari. So the naturally aspirated engines just doesn't have air induction, so no turbos or superchargers. They will rev and redline higher, so they'll get more of that. Sounds great. It's definitely European. Boy, that sounds good. A Lamborghini? Is it a motorcycle? It's a tractor? It's an airplane? I mean... Herbie? Is that a Herbie? Yeah, Volkswagen Bug, old Herbie. There was a Porsche I just heard. Probably a GT3, if I had to guess which one. I've been on the track with them a lot, so I know that sound. And I've been behind them a lot, so I definitely know the exhaust sound. It's definitely got the turbo split. Dodge Challenger? Charger? Yeah. They have a red-eyed demon or Hellcat. Yeah, you can hear their supercharger. Mustang. Maybe a GT 500? That could be like anything. I don't know, Nissan. McLaren? Doesn't sound like my McLaren. Porsche? I'm gonna go Porsche. I hope you're the old Roadster, Speedster. Yeah. Yeah.